Friday. May 16th, 10:18 a.m. starting the day. Got a Lexus, got an Audi, delivering cars, eating lunch, eating snacks after lunch, maybe having a beer at lunch. You know, we're looking at a potentially a historically great day. Pulling paint. We got sparkle cups, but yeah, you know, sipping on drink and cranking on tanks. Oh yeah, we do have a tank. Fuck yeah. Check this out. Damn, this shit just comes to me naturally. So we got this Harley Davidson tank, so we're gonna fix this little guy right here today. We kind of have a game plan for the day. We're gonna do these two cars, then we're gonna go deliver a car. And then by that time, I'm gonna be pretty hungry, so it's gonna be lunchtime. But then after lunchtime, we're gonna do the tank, maybe do some running around, you know. Oh yeah, the Mustang's gonna come pick up. We're having a Mustang drop off, another hail car. They're both kind of fucked off. They're a little crazy, but yes, it's a good day. It's a good day. Not hungover. That's a big plus to the day.
I will also want to talk about this tank as well. This gentleman said he searched all over Houston and found nobody that works on motorcycle tanks. So if that does not show our specialty or our skills in the Houston area, I don't know what it does. So that is what I said. We had two cars on the schedule today. We had this Lexus that drove 3 hours away from Nacogdoches to have 3 little dents fixed, which falls in our package deal realm. So if you have, you know, 10 dents on your vehicle and you need a package deal, you're trying to save a little bit of money, that is what this car fell into, and that could be your car next. Also, we have this Audi. It has a big old crease like this long on the door, and it's aluminum. So that one's gonna take me a little bit of time to do. But I say roughly about 2-3 o'clock is where I should be finishing that guy up. So package deals, really fast, really quick, really easy for you and your convenience. This car is out of here, and it roughly took an hour and a half because we have 2 techs working on it, not just one. But if you come with me, we're gonna go talk about what happened the rest of this week. So the beginning of this week, we had 2 hail cars that we had to work on and try to bang out by Friday. That was a task and a chore in front of itself, but we're able to make it happen. And I want to show you what this damage looked like. So right here, this hood is absolutely demolished. It is just smoked. So the rest of this car looked just like that. But this customer did not want to fix the whole car. He wanted to pick and choose the panels that he wanted repaired. So we were able to, you know, make our customer happy. We're in the customer service. So he only wants a few panels fixed. We fix a few panels for him. And that is that one. I'm not sure. Camera guy, come with me real quick. So we're gonna do, I'm talking to you in front of the camera. So it's like the Office kind of style, all right? So you keep shooting, I'm talking to you. I wanna show you, camera guy, what these dents look like. So we get down on that thing, we're looking all around. Man, that is just smoked. Yep, a golf ball on a hood. So then you come with me a little closer over here. We do the same thing to this roof. This roof looked exactly like that. It took me 2 days to fix, and it was no easy task. I'll tell you that much. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. And not only did we have that hail car at the beginning of the week, we had this hail car as well. This Bronco was not nearly as severe. It had little hits all over. And we were able to fix this, get it ready to deliver by Friday. And we're actually gonna drop this one off at her house for her, kind of like a surprise. Like, oh my God, look how nice my car looks. I guess while we're standing here, we're back, this car that was being pulled out the shop that you just saw earlier is now sitting here nice and pretty, and Hector, catch his gorgeous ass walking down. He's gonna go grab the customer, show off his skills, because he worked on that all by himself, a little William pizzazz too. And we're just moving and grooving on this Friday. We're just wrapping it up. Not really wrapping up, it's early as shit, and we have already done 2 cars. On to the next. Ouch. This is absolutely insane.